In today's video, we're going through the essentials to pack in your Hyrox race day bag. We are 72 hours out from Hyrox London, and this is my pre-packed bag kit. Starting with footwear, the Nike Tempo Next Percent, which I'll wear during the race itself. This is predominantly a road running shoe, so for many, the stack height in this shoe is larger than you'd ideally want for a Hyrox race. Now, it may be that I switch this shoe in the future. Now, at the other end of that spectrum, we've got the VIVOBAREFOOT Primus Lite 3. This shoe won Best Workout Shoe for Men's Health last year. It's a barefoot minimalist style shoe. This will be what I wear pre and post event. Puma, at the time of recording this video, are the official sponsor of Hyrox events, and the shoe they recommend for racing is the Puma Deviate Nitro. For more info on that shoe and the shoes I'll be wearing, do check out some of the links in the video description. Now on to clothing. My racing outfit comprises of a lightweight pair of shorts, a tank t-shirt, sweatbands, and my trusty Apple Watch to track my 1 kilometer splits in the running. Hyrox events get notoriously warm, so make sure you're not overdressed with too many layers. Now onto the bag itself. I do a lot of research before making big purchases, and ahead of getting this built for athletes large rucksack, I looked at alternative options and quickly concluded you can't beat this bag in terms of size, value, and versatility with all those pockets. I've got size 12 feet, and this bag comfortably fits 2 pairs of trainers, clothes, and all the other training kit and clobber you might need for race day. In here I have a water carrying backpack. There are hydration stations dotted along the Hyrox waist, but that can mean losing valuable seconds or minutes stopping, which I'm keen to avoid, so I'll be wearing this throughout the race. I'll provide a link to this particular water vest in the video description. Now, fueling our bodies pre and post Hyrox race is really important, and in my bag I'll be packing some electrolytes, which will take an hour or so ahead of the race. Next up, hot cross buns, the fuel of champions, or maybe not. I know it's a bit niche, but they are something I've personally got accustomed to having pre-race. Equally, some toast or bread could equally do the job. I'll also be carrying with me 2 bananas, one for pre and one for post race to keep those potassium levels high. In here we've also a regular water bottle to ensure we keep hydrated. Now on to capturing the day, making sure you've got a phone or camera to capture those important moments pre and post race with friends and family. A lot goes into everyone's Hyrox event prep, and it's nice to be able to capture some of the moments on the day. Tomorrow, following my pre-event registration, which I'll link a video to up here, I'll be adding my timing chip, entry band, and race number. Most Hyrox events have a pre-registration event taking place between 24 and 72 hours before the race. This allows you to do all the event registration you would otherwise need to do on the event day itself, meaning you can turn up on race day and focus on the race itself. I wish you well with your forthcoming Hyrox race, with loads of great Hyrox related videos on the playlist available up here, so do check those out.